Alright guys, this is Skúli. I'm here one more time and now I'm in South Africa riding. You can see on my face that I have taken a few crashes today. It is a little bit harder on the two-stroke than I'm used to. So in the other time that we are not riding, you know, there is a lot of things to do, of course, and one of it is just to go get to the beach, and that is the beauty about this location. You can see the hotel here from where I am sitting, and this is the circle here around the hotel, the beach.